Hi, it's Krista with WTI. I really believe that a well-designed kitchen can make my life so much easier. And this Samodra kitchen sink soap dispenser has done just that for me. Let me tell you why I would buy this product again and again. First things first, let's talk about the design. This soap dispenser adds a sophisticated touch and nicely matches to the black and brass kitchen faucet I selected. The matte finish is not just stylish, but it's also easy to clean and is resistant to fingerprints and showing dirt quickly. Keeping a constant supply of dish soap is also very easy with this set. I no longer struggle with messy refills or transfers of soap into a little bottle. This dispenser comes with a 39-inch extension tube that connects directly to my store-bought bottle of kitchen soap. The brass pump is beautiful, but it's not just for show. I can really tell it's been built to last. You can feel the quality of it with every use. It's smooth, reliable, and even the thickest soap that I've used easily pumps through without ever getting clogged. This Samodra kitchen sink soap dispenser is an affordable way to give your kitchen sink that instant upgrade. It is stylish, it is durable, and it helps keep your countertops tidy. And that's my point of view.